What's up, everybody? It's your boy Opperman Fitness, aka hashtag gains. Today's gonna be a She for Beast episode. I'm actually going to be going to Dairy Queen, and I'm gonna be getting the new peanut butter cookie dough blizzard. I really wanted to try it, so I'm like, you know what, man? Fuck it. I'm gonna go there, do a little She for Beast episode, and I'm gonna get that motherfucker and try it out. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah. Get some of this ice cream up in this bitch. Yeah, let me get a small peanut butter cookie blizzard.
Okay.
Can I get extra cookie dough?
Yeah, no problem.
That'd be it.
I have a small peanut butter cookie dough blizzard with extra cookie dough. Your total comes to $4.59. Go ahead and pull around.
Alrighty. Yeah, getting that extra cookie dough, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if you're gonna get a small, you gotta get extra cookie dough, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get away with less calories, but I'm also eating more fucking calories. So, I don't know. Kind of sounds counterintuitive, but fuck it, man. Trying to have a little cheat meal, trying to eat a little bit of ice cream, you know what I'm saying? It's fucking Saturday. You know what I'm saying? You already know what the fuck I'm saying. Yeah. There's like fucking 8 people working in here. Jesus Christ.
Hi, $4.59. Did you need a lift for the blizzard today?
No thank you. I didn't think they really need 8 people, but fuck it. It's not even warm out. Shit crazy, man. Shit crazy, man.
Here's your card and your receipt.
Thank you.
And here's the blizzard.
Alrighty, thank you.
Have a great day.
Do the little lick test while you're driving. You know what I'm talking about. Ooh. Oh, man. Holy shit. Holy shit. Try to get some light action. Yeah. Right about here. Maybe. Decent. Decent. Fucking window. Keep going. There we go. My window fucks up every now and then. You know what? Fuck it. There we go. I know you guys probably don't like watching videos in the dark. So I'm gonna sit here, put this heater on a little bit, get some ice cream in here. You know what I'm saying? So, damn, it's fucking cold. Who the fuck's dumbass idea was it to get ice cream? Damn, is it cold. So, I've been seeing a commercial for this motherfucker. I'm like, you did not just mix 2 of the greatest goddamn things on this earth. Cookie dough and goddamn peanut butter. That sounds like 2 good times, you know what I'm saying? I have a good time with peanut butter by myself, and I have a good time with cookie dough by myself. Now we got a threesome. It's a damn good time. I wouldn't have to say so myself. This is fucking fire, guys. Fire. Damn. I don't know why all of a sudden I got the fucking chills, man. Got the goddamn chills. So I got the not only that, I got extra cookie dough because I'm a fat fuck in heart and I love cookie dough, so that's why I got it. No other reason. I was thinking about doing a little bit of a mini cut. Just a mini cut. I've been chilling around 215 to 220 for like, damn, I just got that shit in my pants. Anyways, I've been rocking 215 to 220 for like a solid, man. And I'm not sure when the fuck this is gonna get posted, but I'm gonna be posting a posing video or a physique update. Physique update. Like I said, I don't know when the fuck I'm posting that, but you guys can give me a, you guys can critique it and tell me what the fuck you think. But basically, I like bulking and everything, but I want to lean down just a little bit. But then you got to sacrifice some strength, and then you end up not being that shredded anyways, because if you're doing a mini cut, you ain't losing that much. I don't know. I'm kind of torn between keep bulking or do a mini cut. And I'm going to be going to Vegas here in about a month, so kind of wanted to do a mini cut because I know I'm going to be eating like shit there. And I'm going to be there for like a week. Vegas for a week. And it doesn't sound like a recipe for fucking, it doesn't sound like a good recipe. I'll tell you that. Sounds like fat fuck shit, losing all kinds of money, being pissed off, but having a good time. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I was thinking about just cutting a little bit. Just a little bit. Man, this video is gonna be long as fuck. Already 7 minutes. And I barely got this motherfucker touched. Some damn good ice cream. Some damn good ice cream. I don't know why the fuck there's a line to get into Dairy Queen. Like, why are people getting ice cream? I don't know why the fuck I'm getting this. If it was a hot summer day, hot summer night, it's like, I don't know, 50, 40-ish maybe degrees. It's pretty fucking cold. And there's a wind. I don't know. Some damn good ice cream though. Holy shit. Look at this shit, guys. Just see it. Alright, there was 3 people, right? Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fucking like 5 people around this bitch. Out of nowhere. Fucking crazy. Man, I'll tell you what, they ain't giving the shit away. Still gotta pay for it. Unless they are giving this shit away and I just didn't know about it. Maybe I should have got a mini. It's taking me forever to eat this. This fucking thing is small though. Look at this. The fucking mini. The mini's like fucking 1 taste bud. You get 1 taste bud and that's it. Man, I love cookie dough. Tell you what, if I never got into the gym, I'd be a fat fuck right now. No doubt about it. No fucking doubt about it. Man, they just keep pulling in this motherfucker. It's like, what time is it? 7 o'clock? No, it's not. This clock's off. I think it's like 8 o'clock. Maybe it's 7 o'clock. I don't know, fuck it. No, there's no way it's 7 o'clock. There's no way. Some damn good ice cream, man. Yeah, man, I'm 29 years old and I haven't been to Vegas. And I love gambling, so I gotta do it. I gotta fucking do it. I was thinking about going to the Grand Canyon too. Because it's like 4 hours away. Thinking about getting a rent-a-car from Vegas. Driving to Grand Canyon for a couple days. Or one day, I should say. And knocking that out. Because I'm in Indiana. I haven't been anywhere fucking west. I haven't been shit west. I haven't been anywhere west. I really haven't traveled at all, really. A little bit here and there. But just the basic ass states that are around me, I haven't really been that far though. Man, that was a serious line. That's crazy. Anyways, think about going to Grand Canyon, Vegas, have a good time, you know what I'm saying? But that's in about a month. And yeah, I want to do a little mini cut. That looks crazy. I'm gonna try and not lose any strength. Trying to not lose any strength, get a little bit stronger, lose a little bit of weight, and that's about it. We'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens. What the fuck is that noise? It's gone. So that's a good ass blizzard. I suggest you guys get it. Nice little treat. You know what I'm saying? That's a nice little treat. Get a little bit of extra cookie dough. If not, just get the regular shit. But this video is way too fucking long. I'm closing this shit out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Fucking about ready to burp. Nope. Yeah. So I'm gonna close this shit out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little cheat meals for beasts. You know what I'm saying. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for the support as always. Let me know what you want to see next, and if you don't like it, too fucking bad, subscribe, share, like it, comment below. Scroll, but don't troll. I don't hate me because I'm fucking swollen. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Instagram Opperman Fitness, Snapchat Opperman Fitness, Facebook Opperman Fitness. And don't forget to like my band page, Divided Dimension, on Facebook. We got some badass music. Really need to check that shit out. And also, if you're going to buy some supplements, in case you happen to fucking want to buy some shit, go to TigerFitness.com using my affiliate link, which is also in the description box below. And I will check you guys later.